Morning, Bulldog.
Morning, Bulldog. Okay, Allen? Alright. Pwede ka na ba sa yung x-ray? Don't worry, this will be super cool. We're going to use this magical device and ang pollinator. It's like the laser focus x-ray beam para sa perfect shot of your spine.
Okay lang po ba yun? Hindi po ba yung video? Hindi po ba mararating yung buong katawan nila?
Ay hala, pwede pala yun. Naku, Alan, let's go na. I don't wanna see you glow in the dark,
Yung Dark. Ano yan? Para kang superhero niyan, pare. The Glowing Allen, new member of X-Men.
Relax! Relax na lang, Allen. Hindi naman ganun yun, Bianca. Kaya nga may pollinator eh. Ito ang pollinator. This baby here is what keeps the X-ray focus sa spine lang ni Allen and it protects the rest of his body para hindi siya maging glow in the dark hero, Junkie.
So, Bulldog, paano po siya nag-work exactly?
Ganito yan, the pollinator acts like a window. It shapes the X-ray beam para nakafocus lang siya sa target area, like your spine. With this, I can just adjust the size of the beam para hindi matamaan yung ibang parts ng katawan mo. It's super important kasi masyadong exposure sa X-ray, it's good for the other parts of your body.
So, parang flashlight lang? So, hindi lahat tinatamaan ko.
Exactly, Bianca. Flashlight is super precise, focus lang sa kailangan. So, for Allen spine X-ray, we just adjust the pollinator para makuha natin yung perfect view na hindi naapektuhan ng mga parts.
Eh ano yung Bulldog? Pag nakuha mo perfect shot, may pa-free copy ka, may pa 3-in-1. Eh baka naman, kung akala ni Allen, X-ray, baka i-cremate na.
Oo nga. Hindi dyan, pero makakuha si Allen ng mas accurate na results ng X-ray na mas importante kaysa copy population at magiging safe pa siya.
Okay. Okay, Bulldog. So, need lang yun ng accurate shot para makuha yung exact result at walang extra damage.
Exactly, Allen. We'll position the pollinator, parang focus lang siya sa spine mo tapos ready na for the shot.
Pero Dudok, sigurado bang wala siyang side effects?
Side effect? Naku, mas pumogi si Allen dyan ah.
Walang side effect yan ka. Everything safe as long as we follow the right procedure. Kaya trust the pollinator.
Sige, gawin na natin.
Yo-ho! Go Allen, the X-ray superstar, mami!
Alright, Allen, hold still and let's spin it, right?
Sige, Bulldog.
Sige, Doc.
Okay.
Morning, Bulldog. Okay na po ba yung results ko?
Ito lang yung results.
Ano po yung results niya? Naman po ba may sakit?
Yung baga? Yung results. Normal lang siya.
Water siya ko. Ito po lang.
Okay.
Hindi ko na.
Pare, mahal mo raw ako. Yan ang sabi mo raw nang minsan ay malasing tayo. Hindi kita sinisisi.